Welcome to Butir Tutorials. In this video, we will be guiding you on how to reorder and pin items in your online store account. For best experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, launch your Butir app to start. Then, in your home page, look for the product button in the bottom of your app. Click on it. On the product page, you will see the reorder button at the top left of your app. Tap on it. You will then be shown a simple tutorial on how to move and pin a product to the top, reorder the products, and also unpin a product. We will start with showing you how to drag and reorder your products. After pressing the reorder button earlier, you will see the 3 lines button on the right of your products. Long press on the product you wish to reorder and drag it to the position you would like as shown. Next, to pin the product to the top, you may press on the product name and an option will pop up. Click on Pin at Top to pin your product to the top. Last but not least, to move an item to the top without having to drag it, you may use these steps. Click on the product you would like to move. A pop-up would then appear. Click on Move to Top. The product will then be moved to the top. If there is a pinned product, the product will be moved under the pinned product. After you are satisfied with your product order, click Save. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Download Butir now on Google Play Store or App Store.